Hey there, welcome to today's tutorial where I'll show you step by step how to add a share email link or button to your Mailchimp email campaigns. If you want to boost engagement, make it super easy for your subscribers to share your content or just add a personal touch to your newsletters, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add that clickable email link or button so your readers can instantly reach out or forward your message with just a tap. Alright, let's dive in. First, let's head over to Mailchimp and open up your campaign design. If you're inside your Mailchimp dashboard, just pick the campaign you want to edit and click Design Email or Edit Design. You'll be taken to the editor where you can design your email. That's the creative playground where you can build your message. Think of it as your digital canvas. Now, to actually add the Share Email feature, you have two main choices. You can attach it to a piece of text or use a button. If you want it to look subtle and blend in with your message, highlight the words where you want the link to go, maybe something like share this email or forward to friend. If you want to make it really obvious and eye-catching, you can drag in a button block instead. Mailchimp lets you grab a button from the content blocks area and just drop it wherever suits your layout. Once you've got your text selected or your button in place, it's time to add the link. With your choice highlighted, find the little link icon in the editing toolbar. It's usually a simple chain symbol. Click that and you'll see options to add your link destination. Here, where things get interesting. By default, Mailchimp will assume you want a link to a web page, but you want this link to open up a brand new email message instead, ready to go. To do that, in the link settings, you'll notice an option labeled web address, or sometimes just a field to paste your link. All you need to do is change that from a standard website address to an email address. And here's the trick, you just type mailto right before your email address. For example, if your email is hello@example.com, you'd type mailto hello@example.com. That little bit of code is the magic key that tells browsers and email apps to open a new email window when someone clicks your link. But you're not limited to just the email address here. If you want, you can pre-fill the subject line or even the body of the email to make sharing even more seamless. For example, you can write mailto hello@example.com subject equals check %20 this %20 out, and it will automatically add check this out as the subject line. This can make it much easier for someone to share your campaign or get in touch with you without having to type everything out themselves. Remember, spaces in these links need to be replaced with %20 for it to work properly, so keep that in mind. Once you're happy with the details, just save the link. Take a moment to preview your campaign and try clicking the link or button yourself. It should open up your default email client ready to send. If not, no worries, double-check the Mailto formatting or try a different email address. And that's it. You've just made your Mailchimp campaign a lot more interactive and shareable. Adding little touches like this can really encourage your readers to engage and spread the word. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any snags, just drop a comment below. I'm happy to help out. For more tips, tricks, and easy-to-follow tutorials, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.